Today we're going to be trying out some inexpensive automotive paint called Starfire Acrylic Enamel Automotive Finish from PaintForCars.com. Also the hardener that goes with it and the reducer. So let me finish prepping this panel, mix up the paint according to the instructions, and I'll be back. Now I'm just going to blow this off one time real quick. And hit it with the tack cloth. After making sure the panel was dust free, we're ready for our first coat. The first coat is going to be a tack coat, and that's just a very light coat to get the paint to stick. After waiting 15 minutes, this will be the second coat, and it is about 73 degrees in here. And this will be the last coat. After 3 coats of paint, this is the finished panel. This is a $79 kit from PaintForCars.com. You get a gallon of acrylic enamel, single stage, a quart of reducer, and a pint of hardener. I think it did a pretty fair job. The things I like about it is it hardened quick or dried fast, and it has a pretty decent shine. The things I don't like about it is I think it has a little bit of a funky orange peel to it, and it came out, the paint in this gallon was thick. I don't know about the other colors, but I had to reduce it a little bit more than the instructions say. So let me give you a few different shots of this panel so you can see exactly what it looks like. And here's some of that orange peel I was talking about, and no matter how wet I got the coats, or no matter how much reducer I added to try to thin the paint, I couldn't get it to lay down as well as PPG, DuPont, Nason, or any other high-end, more expensive automotive paints. I hope you enjoyed this review on Starfire single stage acrylic enamel from PaintForCars.com. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.